because I'm doing a desktop review. I definitely did it because it's how it is. So browser you know, I don't know if that's relevant. Fidget spin right here. Switch. Well, I have to say nothing else actually. A little troubled on. Yeah. So just going the challenge on a like what? Yeah.
Huey, I know you've been going back in time to... Oh, okay, then where are we now? Uh-huh, let me see that panel. Let me see that. Move out of the way. I'm not gonna let you do this. Just touch my boob. I'm gonna tell Mom.
Bro, I literally spent 50,000. Honestly, I spend that money on
What?
We don't know what he's capable of.
Why would you do that to me?